All right, so you all been talking about this Florentine satchel, Dooney and Burke, large, micro, regular, nano, all the sizes. And so I had to go ahead and get it. And since they had the Mother's Day sale, this is a Mother's Day gift. This is a Mother's Day gift, right? This is my Mother's Day. I got it in the natural color. Here she is, and I'm about to unpack her. Alright, so here's her little tags. They do have the green inside of the tassel. I know some of you all said that you're getting the ones without the green, so that's the authentic. I love that. And then we have our dust bag, our crossbody shoulder strap, our key leash. Love that. It has the beautiful green inside and red. I love that authentic Dooney. Oh yeah, smells good. It has that good leather Dooney smell. She already ready to go. She is. Y'all say hey to this. She is ready. She is a cute everyday bag. I definitely love her. I love the leather. It's definitely a substantial, nice bag. And I'm also a shoulder strap. I like a short shoulder strap. Say like my Elodie has this shorter shoulder strap. I like that. So let's see what this shoulder strap is giving, because I'm not a crossbody. I don't like a crossbody. And I'm going to tell y'all, my first Dooney, I was in, I believe, the 5th or 6th grade is when I got my first Dooney. My mama bought me the first Dooney. It was black. It had the closure on the front where it was like this on the front, like the hole, kind of like the belt hole in the front, but it had the duck on there, and it was black and tan. It was like this color tan, but it was a black shoulder, and I could also do crossbody. Oh, it's so stiff. And this is the length. I don't like that length. I like my bags to sit up here. I like my bag to be like right here when I carry her, or right here, but down here this is crossbody. I think, yeah, there we go. There we go. And I'll go back and do it better where the straps underneath. But this is the length I want. This is what I want. This is what I want. So yeah, doing the strap like that gives me what I'm looking for. And I can hold her like that if I wanted to hold her like that. Or if I wanted to wear it as a shoulder, I could wear it as a shoulder bag. So she is cute. I have been waiting to get her. She does have slouch. She is squishy. I like that. She is nothing in here. She already has some weight. So good everyday bag. So she's a good everyday bag. I love her. She's good. What y'all think? What y'all think about the Florentine satchel, Dooney and Burke in the color natural? All right, I'm going to love on her a little bit, and you all tell me in the comments what's your thoughts of the large Dooney and Burke Florentine satchel. Do you have one? Do you want one? Think about getting one. You already have one. What color do you have? Did you accessorize her? Any tips, tricks for me? I'm open.